welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to LOOKSMAXX my closet once again. It has been about a year since I first cleaned out my closet, and since then I feel like I have been on a journey to make my dream closet happen, and I feel like to do that we need to get rid of the things that no longer speak to me. So today I have my sister, and she's gonna help me figure out what I should keep and what I should donate or give to her.
I like to get rid of everything, so this should be fun.
Let's get started. I'm gonna start with this top section because there is no room.
This is crazy. I have like 20 things in my closet.
I'm gonna go with no. I don't wear crop tops.
No.
Okay, this I'm keeping because I have the matching skirt.
Okay.
I think this
That's cute. Oh, it's a
bodysuit. I'm gonna go with donate. My old Wild Flocks sweater, and I'm keeping. This is like a maybe for me. I didn't realize I have to. Okay, fun. This is a donate. Not in my Y2K era.
You have so many denim tops. Holy shit.
This one's kind of cute, right?
I don't really like it. That's cute.
You guys can have it. I remember I was hesitant to give up this top last closet clean out, but I think
Are we ready?
She's ready to go. This, you guys can have it.
That's cute.
I thought I was going to wear this, but I haven't. So I think she can also go. Got a lot of blue going on.
Especially for the Teen Vogue party.
I don't know this reference.
No.
No.
Wow, this is freeing. Last year I was like hesitant to get rid of this stuff, and this year I'm like, it's almost like taking up room for the things I actually want. Does that make sense?
Yes.
From Minga London, it's so cute, super like Aria Montgomery vibes, kind of, don't you think?
I don't know.
Little Liars.
That's not her last name.
Yeah, it is.
It is?
Okay, anyway, you're an idiot.
No.
I'm gonna go with a no.
That-
I really was like struggling to keep this last year, but like,
More. No.
no. I feel like I've gotten my wear out of this,
I feel like it's your older style.
right? This
No.
also feels like my old style. I just like don't see myself gravitating towards it. This I do. I could wear.
I feel like it's
It's kind of like a solid, right?
I was going to say, I feel like the second you get rid of it, you're going to find some reason to need it.
This quality's kind of bad, and I have been investing in like better quality, just things overall.
That is cute. I feel like you should keep that.
This is Jacquemus. I'm keeping it.
I don't know what that is.
Frankie's bikini crop cardigan. Love her. I wear it with the matching skirt all the time.
Okay.
You've seen me wear that outfit. You liked it. You said it was cute.
I'm remembering now. It's stop yelling at me. No.
We've never agreed this much before in our lives.
Oh, that's kind of cute.
I don't.
No.
Yeah, I agree. It has a matching skirt, and it's really cute.
I feel like it is cute. I feel like it's
I would-
worth to keep.
Super cute.
No.
But I also just don't see myself wearing it.
I don't see you wearing it either.
Right? I feel like I could still wear this with just like a pair of docs and like.
See, I just feel like it gives like your old, like 2015 Lena.
No, totally.
No.
No. All these pieces have gotten a lot of love out of me, so.
Ready to depart?
This is IMG. I have the matching skirt. It is a good like summer set.
Okay.
Again, have a matching set. I feel like both of these actually might be maybes. Okay, this is an actual vintage Ed Hardy.
I feel like you already know my answer, but I feel like I already know
I
your
also just
answer.
like don't wear Ed Hardy anymore. Like,
Oh, is she getting rid of? Oh, gross. No.
it's cute. Okay, let's do the maybe. This got sent to me. It says my name on it. I'm probably gonna keep it for like what's that, Super Bowl Sunday?
No.
No. I feel like I had a cutesy era. Like I was trying to get back into pink because I hated it like my
so
whole
long?
youth. But like I don't know if I need to be in pink lace frilly.
Yeah.
I will keep this though. Oh, it's all rusted. Bye. Bye. Like this I wear all the time. Do you have any stains in your?
There are stains.
Oh shit.
Oh my god, Lena, there's like so many stains. How did you not see that?
No.
I can't believe that these have lived here for as long as they have.
That's what I'm saying. I am struggling. I like this. Oh, I forgot I had this.
That's cute. I feel like more girly pop than your current vibe is. And don't say I feel like it's going to go to us.
I feel like it would look cute on you.
Bitch.
This is a vintage find. I do love it. Makes me feel like
Shakespearean.
like a vampire, but that works. This one is like also one of my vampire clown tees, but I feel like since I have the other one, I don't need this one.
I don't feel like you need two. Offie.
Zen.
There we go.
Idiot. No, again, I don't need another. Last year, you couldn't pry these out of my cold dead hands, but this year I'm like, Why do I have 7 of them?
That is crazy.
I think this is saying a lot about my headspace. I was pre-medicated and like maybe I was having like an identity crisis at the same time.
SSRIs. Just Groundhog's Day. That was the same shirt. That one's cute.
I'm not gonna wear it. I don't know.
I might wear that to Cat's Eye.
This is cute.
Oh, that is really cute.
A C by Chloe shirt. I got it secondhand. It's very cute.
I think it's so cute. I like it and I don't at the
That's
same
how
time.
I feel. Another silk shirt.
If you don't want that, I want
Right?
it, possibly.
Okay, you take it. Okay, this I don't necessarily, I wouldn't keep, but the only reason why I am considering it, because I got this Hermes vintage skirt, and I was like, oh, that'd be kind of cute to wear it with. Is it?
I feel
No.
like you have a million tops that
Like,
you
also
could
just wear,
style
like, a
with
black
that.
turtleneck. Like, why do I need this one?
Yeah. No.
No, this I'm keeping. What's wrong with you?
After she just said-
Literally, what is wrong with you? I don't know why I didn't get rid of this last time.
I was really scared where you were going with that.
I've been dying to give to you. It's like a
Absolutely
dress.
disgusting.
Just try it. Silver silk vintage. Like, I'm keeping.
Okay, it's reasonable.
This is my free Palestine top from trashy clothing. We're keeping.
Yeah, you cannot get rid.
Plain. I bought new corset. Do I need this? We're gonna put in the maybe keeping.
You're kidding.
Latex meow top. I have the matching shorts. Love
I
keeping.
hate everything about that.
Oh my god, I love latex. No, not keeping. Not keeping. Oh,
Another one of the
Yes.
same.
this is actually really cute.
That
like,
one's
vintage
cute.
Suede.
That one keep.
I don't think I need this. End clothing, lingerie, has a kitty and some nipple piercings. I think that's fun.
Okay.
I have the matching skirt.
Would you like to know my vote?
I feel like you're gonna say no. But
No.
No.
Also no.
Vintage.
Oh my god. I remember when we had a lot of these.
Like nostalgic, but
This was like Fashion Young.
we're almost done with the tops already. No, again, fun in theory. Haven't worn it. Not even during Halloween.
That tells you something.
Right. Ooh, this I just got secondhand. It's a
Cute.
meow corset. Oh, see, okay. This is what I needed. The confirmation.
Absolutely buy.
Don't need her.
Absolutely keep.
See, this is what
Amazing. That
This
is
what I
chic
was
and so
thinking
cute.
in my head.
Yes.
This leather corset I do wear a lot.
It is very cute. I agree.
This I got literally for Halloween. And
Please
it's just like
no.
a belt top. I think it'll be fun for like,
Costume?
yeah. This is a fun little crop. Danny wears this all the time in Cat's Eye.
Yeah, I know. But she also doesn't have a very strict Muslim law.
Bismillah.
Whatever. No.
No.
I don't know what possessed me to keep this, thinking I was gonna wear it.
It doesn't even look like that's something you would ever own.
Vintage
Oh, that's
crochet.
so cute.
You can keep it.
I
never
would love
worn it.
that.
No,
I would wear that.
exactly. You can take it.
Thank you.
This is vintage, and it's like a little diamond like sweater. I like it in theory, and it reminds me of my mom. Our mom. No. just black.
Also no.
This is no. Silk top that's vintage keeping. Always thought I would wear this, and I just haven't. Almost done with tops. I, again, am not like a huge bodysuit person, so no. I don't even know what this is, but it's a bodysuit. Another bodysuit. That's a no. Do we rapid fire?
Yeah. No.
No. No.
Okay.
No. Okay, we finished tops, and now we're moving on to skirts. Vintage Prada real leather skirt that I got on the Real for like $50. We are absolutely keeping.
I think it's cute.
Yeah. I just feel like
They're Michael Jackson and ugly.
these are the matching shorts I was telling you about.
Ew, I hate that texture.
Matching belt tops skirt.
I'm sorry. What?
I wear these all the time. Uzio.
That's cute.
Little skirt. Skort.
Oh,
I'm not
that's
gonna
cute.
keep.
That's crazy.
I really thought I was gonna like
It's worse
really
in the front.
wear it, but I'm not. This I can get rid
You have a
of.
lot of pleated skirts.
I know. Skirt for that top. Skirt. No, I don't wear like high-waisted tight
That
skirts.
you don't keep.
Would you wear
think
this
it's cute.
from time to time? A midi pleated black skirt. But
I
I
feel like-
did buy this in New York. It's like way better.
They're two different vibes.
You think? This I
Oh.
repurchased in my size because I was really sad I had to get rid of my original one. So keep.
That's so funny. I remember stealing this from her closet in high school.
I didn't have that in high school. I was in college when I got that.
I have a
She's a
very bad
liar.
memory.
This is a skirt. I do like it. Another skirt in gray. I like
Cute.
it. Knock off Danielle Guzio, and I don't want it.
I feel like I'm back to my belly dancing days.
This is impossible to walk in.
That's cute.
It's so cute,
but
but
that's a no.
This
That's
is
getting-
Realization Power. I got it on the Real.
I literally was just about to say that's giving Shein.
Yes, from
Cute.
Wuzio.
Cute.
This matches my Blythe doll. This my butt hangs out of.
I was gonna say, how is that even a skirt?
You know, back in my day.
Back in my day.
That's enough. I really thought cargo skirts were gonna stay, but I got by the trend cycle. So I'm gonna go with no.
I'm so glad to hear that.
Beige. I kept the black one, so I feel like this white one is fine. No for me. No for me. Fine. White micro shorts.
My vote is no.
My vote is also no. I wear it sometimes.
What?
I ended up getting rid of the tops for these.
Okay, so get rid of the bottoms.
Yeah. This shade of red is like...
It's very...
It's aggressive.
Unique.
Matching for my...
Cute. I've seen you wear this. I love it on you.
You didn't say that about the cardigan.
I forgot. Okay. No.
Yeah. That's a no.
Also no. That is ugly.
Two of them. Look.
Oh, that one's cute.
No.
This is...
I'm not keeping it. No, it won't fit.
Color.
It matches the
It's
burgundy.
so cute.
No,
No.
and no. It just... Something's a little off about it.
I agree.
Micro jeans. Thongs. My jong.
Lena, when are you ever?
And I don't know if I'll still wear it, but... You know... She's here. This is a no. Hello, do your job.
Hello! I'm still honestly hung up on the jean thong. I've never seen that before in my life.
Literally, I bought this. I've never worn it.
Yeah, Mormon wives.
The reason I'm thinking about keeping this... Okay, hold.
Keeping it because your phone case
It matches, so I could do like a little outfit.
I've never kept an outfit to match it with a phone case. That's
You're not
me.
and you never could be me.
no. And I don't want. Well, I kind of would.
I bought this pair of Galaxy leggings to like do a video and like try styling them, and then Black Milk sent me the original, and then I have the disco pants. These are iconic. I gotta like figure out where to put them. But we're done with bottoms, and now dresses. I feel like it's kind of giving Brittany Murphy in Uptown Girls.
What was that? Oh my!
You're such a fucking idiot.
I literally was like, "What's that fucking noise?" Okay, are we keeping this?
Yes. This I do wear. This I don't wear. It makes me look like I'm wrestling. I've been meaning to give to you. Every time I even think about wearing it, I just know it doesn't fit me, so.
Okay, I need to keep this just because. Like, how do you not?
It's vintage
when will I
Dior.
ever wear it? Don't know, but it's so cute.
You can wear it to
Very
Cat's Eye. This is like a play suit thing. I'm gonna go with no. Oh yeah, I've been meaning to give you guys this.
Oh, that's so cute. It's so cute on you.
Right? I feel
Yeah.
like this is a cute. I will definitely be keeping this.
Okay.
So my vibe. It's very like dark fairy. Come on, you can see the vision.
No.
This is, again, if I am going to be risque, I will be wearing that. This is old Black Milk as well. And I'm also going to go with no.
Thank God.
No. I just don't see myself wearing it. I had this for years and I never reached for it.
Nor could I see you reaching for
Right?
it.
This is cute, but like...
No.
No. You gotta work faster than that.
You said that!
No. No. This is an old unif
Oh!
dress.
That one I stole all the time. So we're keeping her?
Yeah, I would wear it again. Comme des Garçons. Absolutely keeping. Nor...
That's...
Yes.
No.
Wait, it's like a little vintage. This is like giving Ethel Kane, but I can. It's kind of giving Ebenezer Scrooge.
Are
too.
we getting rid of it?
Yeah.
Oh, thank goodness.
This is a whole no-go for me. No.
No. Oh.
I bought a vintage Herve Leger dress, like a bandage dress. Discount Universe dress.
It's also ripped.
Where? We'll give it away.
It's
It's a sign. No. Vintage Roberto Cavalli. I wore this with you at the cafe.
I know, I remember.
And that guy stopped us, said I look very blingy. I like it.
That guy
He
looked like he was on drugs.
He has good taste.
Nothing-
No.
It's interesting.
Yeah. Vintage find. I got it at that what was that? Play Closet or something in Burbank. And then I had my aunt hem it for me. I do love it. Jean Paul Gaultier skull dress. I don't think this fits me anymore. Time to retire. And these are the last two. But I'm gonna go with no. So I feel like she can go. We're done! Okay. See you soon.